guys, so I'm going to make some pan fried radishes. Radishes are a great substitute for potatoes. So it's breakfast time. It's quite early. Well, it's like 8, but I've been up since 4. And I've already gone to the grocery store. I've been to 2 grocery stores already. Recorded a video showing what I bought from the grocery store, low carb food. And now I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to make these pan fried radishes and some bacon and I might make some eggs, we'll see. But anyway, so I have the radishes here, and let me show you guys. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. So I have the radishes. I'm going to slice an onion, butter, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. So let me go ahead and slice up the radishes. I won't show that on camera, but okay, stay tuned. The skillet, and let me put some butter in the skillet. I'm going to saute the onions first. Just slightly. So I'll start with like two tablespoons of butter. Let's see. Well, that's more like 3, but let's start with that first. And I only ended up cutting up half of the onion. I didn't cut up the full onion. I'm using my new skillet that I bought from Marshall's. And I have the heat on like a medium high. I bought a new spoon, a wooden spoon. I'm not used to it. Because my other one, even though it's nothing wrong with it, it's just, I've used it a lot. So, but wooden spoons last a long, long time. So, okay, let me go grab the onions. Let me turn the heat down a little bit. I'm staring this left-handed and I'm right-handed, but I am slightly ambidextrous. I can write a little bit with my left hand, but hey guys, this recipe is super easy. Super easy. So I just wanted to just get the onions cooking a little bit before the radishes. And actually I am going to put a little bit of garlic in here. Smells good already. Alright. So let me grab the radishes. So here are the radishes. I chopped them up into 4s, if you know, for the larger pieces. So I'm going to put those in. And then I'm just going to put some sprinkle some onion powder. I don't have measurements. I'm just kind of just go for, you know, taste. Because I'm not using a recipe with this. Some garlic powder, even though I put the garlic in. I like, you know, garlic stuff. I'm sure the people that are talking to me don't like garlic. Then some pepper. And let me grab the salt. Let me stir that around. It smells good already, y'all. Like I said, you know, breakfast, I love home fries, potatoes. So this is a great substitute. Great substitute. You know what? I'm going to try something different. I'm going to cut up a green onion in here too. Give it a little bit more flavor and some more color. I put green onions in everything. My eggs, everything. Chicken salad, tuna salad, egg salad, any type of salad. I would pop some green onions. Let me go ahead and start my bacon. Well, I think, yeah, I'm going to do bacon. Okay, so they're done. It took about 25 minutes to cook these. So yeah, great substitute for potatoes. Sauteed radishes. Okay, bon appetit.